Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about LLM Lifecycle. So see, inside LLM Lifecycle, we usually follow some steps, okay? And first of all, I'll let you know what is LLM Lifecycle exactly, okay? We also call it as pipeline, okay? You can also call it as LLM pipeline, or let's say generative AI pipeline, okay? You can call everything. So what does it mean of lifecycle and pipeline? First of all, I'll try to give you the definition. So here, just let me write LLM uh, lifecycle. Lifecycle. See, LLM lifecycle is nothing but LLM life cycle is a set of steps, okay, set of steps followed to build, okay, and end to end, okay, end to end software, okay, end to end software. That means here what we do, we just try to break the problems into several sub problems, okay, and then try to develop each sub problem step by step, okay. So this is called actually LLM lifecycle. Now inside LLM lifecycle, we have different, let's say, component. So the first thing you can consider, we have data acquisition, okay, data acquisition. So here we just try to collect the data. Now data can be available, okay, data you can extract from different API. You can also do the web scraping. You can also collect your own data by doing some survey. It's up to you. That means you have to collect your required data for the training. So once data collection is done, you usually do the data preparation, okay, preparation. Inside preparation, you apply some cleaning technique, you apply some, let's say, feature engineering technique, okay. So with the help of that, you just prepare the entire data, okay. Now there is another section, we also name it as FE, feature engineering, okay, feature engineering, individual component feature engineering. So in feature engineering, what do? We just try to create features. We try to create features. If any transformation is required, we usually do here. Then we also do the vectorization. That means we create the embeddings here mostly. Okay, embeddings of our text or any kinds of data. Because we know that large language model can't take the raw input, raw text, or let's say video, it can't take. So for this, what you have to do, you have to convert those data to the numerical representation, and everything can be done inside FE, that means feature engineering, okay. That's why it is super important. Then once it is done, we'll be doing the modeling, okay, modeling. So here we just train the model, we train model, okay, and train the model, okay. So once model got trained, what we usually do, we do the model evaluation, model evaluation, okay. So here inside model evaluation, we have two kinds of evaluation. The first one is intrinsic evaluation, and that is extrinsic evaluation, okay, extrinsic evaluation. So in intrinsic evaluation, what you usually do, you try to apply some evaluation metrics like and you know that like we have different kinds of evaluation metrics are available, okay, based on the task you are doing, okay. Those are the metrics you will be applying. And what is extrinsic evaluation? Extrinsic evaluation means after deploying the model, okay, after deploying the model, you will be doing this extrinsic evaluation. So here, let's say my model is in the production, and people are using my application, okay. And you are continuously like, let's say, monitoring your let's say model. And if user is not liking your model, let's say if they're giving the bad feedback, based on the bad feedback, you are again, let's say, updating your model. This is called extensive evaluation, okay. So after going to the production, you usually apply this particular extensive evaluation, okay. I hope you cleared. Now after model evaluation, we usually do the deployment. Then we do the monitoring and model update operation. model updating. Okay, so this is the entire actually LLM life cycle. Okay, we usually follow whenever we just try to train any kinds of LLM from scratch. Even you also do the same thing whenever you do any kinds of fine tuning, okay, of any kinds of LLM, because training is a costly task, and for this we need lots of computation, for this we need lots of cost. So that's why we usually do the fine tuning of the LLM. Okay, so there is another technique, okay, we usually follow. So instead of fine tuning also, you can again use your custom data. The concept name is RAG, that means retrieval augmented generation. We'll be also talking about this part. Got it? So yes guys, this is all about, I think you got to know what is the LLM lifecycle. And yeah, this is all. Thanks for watching.